Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily get and create a WhatsApp link. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments at the end of this video. So let us get down to the topic with you. And open up any messenger on your phone, either Messenger or Navatalks. I'm going to use Navatalks to create a WhatsApp link very quickly and easily. And I will tell you that this method is very simple and effective. And for this method, you won't need to voice your phone number every time, which also makes it convenient. So, to create a link, type wa.me/ and then you can write your phone number. The main thing is not to write the country code, and also do not make spaces in the phone between the digits. And after you've written all that, click Save. And as you can see, in this way, you have created a link. And now if you click on it, if you hold it down, you'll be able to choose at the bottom whether you want to copy the link or share it. And let's say if you copy it, and then you go into some correspondence, you can easily paste that link and send that link to your WhatsApp. So this is the very simple way, friends. You can easily get and create a WhatsApp link. I really hope this video was useful for you friends and helped you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And until new meetings.